napakasaya namin nung dumating si Solen sa amin kasi
iba talaga yung binigay niya sa amin na joy nung dumating siya.
In the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life that make me feel alive.
Mabuko ka na! Hoy! Ulit! Zalin! Happy! Ano kasunod ang happy? New Year! Hoy!
Feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life that make me feel alive.
Sobrang important kasi once in a lifetime na milestone to nung anak ko. So talagang ni-request niya, Mami, pwede bang makasama ko yung mga classmates ko? Ipag-party mo ako.
In the wandering, in the searching, in the wilderness, we've never been more certain.
Since my second pregnancy started, I kept on praying to the Lord to give us a child with normal eyes and a completely healthy baby without any congenital conditions and delays.
May time na nagsimba kami, narinig ko yung homily ni Father Aura. So, naging iba na yung perspective ko. Hindi na yun yung dasal ko. Sabi ko na lang, Lord, thy will be done. Your will be done. So, kahit ano ang ibigay yung anak ko, tatanggapin namin ng maluwag. And then, si Solen yung binigay niya.
Lord si Solen, the one who completed our family, the one complementing our patience with appreciation, the one that fills our hearts with simple joys, a sweet baby that is funny, very clever, matakaw, ang galing magrason, pwedeng mag-abogado, and right amount of mischievousness all at the same time.
Happy birthday, Solen! Wishing you all the best, syempre. Sana lagi kang maging masaya. Kahit lagi ka naming napapagsabihan, sana wag sasama ang loob mo. You wish for this. Marami kaming options na binigay sa'yo, pero you wish for this birthday. We hope you enjoyed it. At sana lumaki kang mabait, mapagmahal, masunurin, malakas ang loob. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mami mo at ng ate mo.
Anak, as you wish para sa iyong birthday party na ito, sana mag-enjoy ka kasama yung mga classmates mo at lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa iyo.